Future technologies are predicted based on high technology and science of time. With the application of science, mathematics, and the arts, we will be able to practically combine resources to produce desired products, solve problems, fulfill needs, and satisfy wants.
These are technologies that are going to influence or radically change the way we do things in terms of how we make products, how we live. They are going to determine what career paths or jobs will be available in the future.
In Africa, Zimbabwe ranks number 10 on the African countries list of the technologically developed.
Now, for example, in the ministry we have a program on nanotechnology, which we started to make sure that we are not left behind whereas others are now moving into the nano age. And so we have specific programs designed to understand and promote research and human capital development in these technologies. And so you want to make sure that you remove the phobia by informing people in a way that they can understand what nanotechnology is, what it can do, and where possible, where you've got examples and case studies showcasing what it can do.
Nano derives from a Greek word nanos, which means dwarf, or very tiny. It is so small that it's like splitting your hair 80,000 times. And so at that level, we are now, if we manipulate nature at that level, we are said to be performing nanotechnology. One of our universities has already designed a nanofilter, which they have actually patented it. What we now need to do as government is embrace that and roll it out so that no one has to suffer from cholera, when in actual fact we have got nanofilters that we can use to generate and ensure that everyone has got clean water everywhere, for example. There are other areas also such as security, agriculture, manufacturing itself that will take advantage of nanotechnology.
Although we are said to be infinitely behind in comparison to the first world as far as research and development,
everyone in the world is now manipulating matter at that level and taking advantage of the power of nanotechnology. We also know that nature itself is the number one nanotechnologist because it operates or builds materials at nanometer scale, which is at atomic scale. So having realized that, and with the world also moving in that direction, Zimbabwe has got no choice but to join.
There is increased funding for research and development. There is also assistance in registering patents and copyrights.
Until now, most of our research and development has been focused on building technology, food security, agriculture, and health as a priority for our developing country. Future technologies will give us high-end research in life sciences, mineral exploration, manufacturing, communication, entertainment, ease of learning at all levels, and create employment.